Okay, you can see I have my vertical stabilizer cover back on. I'm getting a lot happier with it, but you can still see a few wrinkles here on the top edge, which unfortunately is going to be the main edge that you're going to be looking at. If you got a few small wrinkles down below where your horizontal stabilizer is going to be mounted, that's okay, because nobody's really going to see them except for you when you crawl around under your airplane doing a pre-flight check. So these wrinkles up top I'm really not happy with, so I'm going to go ahead and pull my cover off again. I could wait until after I finish it and then install a piece of dowel rod here on this trailing edge, because you see 90 degrees to my wrinkles is right here, and as I pull on it you can see I kind of pull them out. But since I haven't started yet, I can get rid of those wrinkles by adding some more foam back here. So I'm going to go ahead and pull my cover off again. Now this is my third time. So again, don't feel bad if you're putting it on, taking it off, putting it on, take it off. You just have to be sure to keep your hands clean as you're working on it, and your surface is clean where you're working with the material.